Today we are in Kharghar and यहाँ पे उत्सव चौक के पास जो खाओ गली है वो बहुत पॉपुलर है, so we are going to explore it today.
Let's go.
This is a very chill place and there are no crowds over here. It's very relaxing actually.
So in sector 7 area in Kharghar there is a place called Crystal Plaza where there is a complete lineup of small restaurants and eateries, and we explored a couple of them. First up, this tea stall grabbed our attention. It was Sai Balaji Tea House. This was a very unique chai stall and it was serving different varieties of teas. I am not a tea person and I'm not into hot beverages, but looking at this stall and the aroma that was coming out of this place, we were really curious to try some teas over here. The person making the chai was very friendly and he told us that lemon tea and tandoori chai are quite popular at his place, so we ordered exactly those two. So as you can see, there is no milk in lemon tea and there are some basil leaves, and then he squeezed some lemon. We had tried lemon tea before this when we were on a trip to Ladakh. Lemon tea is really good for your health. It's refreshing and it gives you a lot of energy. Then he started to prepare the tandoori chai in a very unique pot. We had never seen anything like this before, and so we were very eager to try this chai. We could easily smell the aroma of that fresh, flavorful tea, the boiling milk, and the ginger that he put into it. The small earthen pot that he is using was initially kept with other pots in a tandoori-like container, and maybe that's why this chai is called as tandoori chai. No doubt both the teas were really refreshing and tasted good. Another thing that grabbed our attention were these cute littis that were getting roasted on this grill. The dish was obviously litti choka, which is a popular dish in Bihar. Littis are basically stuffed and roasted dough balls, and chokha is a mashup of brinjal and some other vegetables. The littis were shining with some fresh ghee drizzled over them, and the dish was really looking delicious. The complete dish was really simple yet very tasty, and they also served some green chutney with it. It was our first time trying litti choka, and indeed it's a really yummy and authentic Indian dish. At the same place, we also tried some steamed chicken momos. We took half a plate which was for 30 rupees, and the momos were served with a spicy red chili sauce and a white coconut chutney. Taste wise, these momos were really good and they had generous amount of filling inside them. So overall we loved this place, and if you want to try some authentic litti chokha around Mumbai, then you can definitely visit this place. Next up we went to a tandoor corner, and from the menu we decided to order some chicken maida roti. Maida roti is basically a roti that is stuffed with egg, and this one was chicken maida roti, so it also had some stuffed chicken inside it. Right now it's getting roasted nicely in some desi ghee. Visually it was so tempting. It was served with a vibrant green colored chutney which was sour. It was probably made from curd and some mint, and it was served with some sliced onions. Taste wise, it was really yummy. The chicken was perfectly cooked and the roti was tasting amazing with the egg and chicken. Next up we went to this dosa corner, and this place serves 70 different types of dosas. We decided to try a chocolate dosa, and this is how it was prepared. So this is the chocolate dosa which was for 100 rupees. We were expecting a little bit more in this, like some drizzle of chocolate sauce, but rather this was served in a very simple manner with green and white chutney. On its own, the dosa was tasting really nice. It had both chocolate and cheese, and I personally love the combination, so I loved the dosa. But the dosa wasn't going well with the chutneys being served, we would have definitely loved some chocolate sauce along with it. And considering the price being 100 rupees, this dish seemed a little bit incomplete. Lastly, we decided to have some gola, so we ordered a malai gola. So some flavored syrups were drizzled onto the shaved ice, and then he put some fresh cream over it and then garnished it with some dry fruits. The combination tasted good, everything was fine, and it was a refreshing way to end our meal. So we started off with some piping hot chai and ended with a nice gola. It was an amazing experience, and if you loved this vlog, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification, and stay tuned for more and more food, art and travel vlogs. Goodbye.